Hey everyone, before we get started today, some of you may have noticed the stunning Type R that's been on set this week. That is a 2021 Civic Type R limited edition. And for those of you who've been waiting, today is the day. Online sales will start at 1 p.m. Eastern at the link in the description. Okay, let's get started. Today's tip, rotating your tires. On newer Hondas, you'll get a maintenance message on the driver information interface when it's time to rotate your tires. Rotation of tires should be done as follows. Now, rotating tires with marks like this should be done like this. Regular rotation helps to distribute wear more evenly and increase tire life. This is definitely something all drivers should know, but maybe not do themselves. Don't worry, your local dealer can help. Now, on to trivia, and today you'll be playing for a Honda Auto Safety Kit as well as the First Aid Kit. Question, what does VTEC stand for? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.